You the talking with talking. You are not speaking the English for me well. I was trying to stop the English, and my honor just win, and I just take you to. Okay, yes, you know.
I am there, no. Me pa choppy.
Order. Pass right.
Toast in my man, one of the toast in me, better me home. Me
Attack is coming.
Ojo, hey, kid.
Me a brack, now I'm gonna see a brack. Me a brack, me do you see a brack?
Okay.
Me a brack,
Getting sitting.
My honor say everybody getting sitting.
Me a brack, now I'm gonna see a brack. Me a brack, me do you see a brack? Me a brack, my what you see a brack?
Thanking today,
Me a brack,
coming to homeless Ghana for question answering.
My honor say we are just here to discuss every something. You will ever discuss it everything. And my honor
say Shante Kurani Yabadurhani Yabeshian, you may be afraid of honor.
Today, starting from question.
My honor, today I have clients, and my client is Juliet, and he's some old man flirts him, and they don't pay him.
Flirting? Okay.
Flirting.
Your clienting?
My client, stand up. This is my client.
Clienting? Running about?
Yeah, that one. My honor.
Taking heavy load.
Thank you. Can I, my honor, to come to the stand there, boss?
Yeah.
My honor, come and stand the boss. My honor just came here and discuss everything.
Holding him.
I am holding him.
Okay.
Maona, me show me the miniano waba, or she. A hand she no wabano, ne yere no wamani sika afisha wanye bema for wakoda. Antino, me show me the naba me client no one so 1 year.
Talking, no hearing.
My honor, he just say he brings some old man here to the woman. This is my client. The man slept him, don't pay him, and he's planning to guard him to the honor to discuss the case.
Okay. The clienting. Where?
Me client no masa wani. Masa, me client no wamagina boss ni mana.
Clienting?
Bagina boss ni washi.
Pass right. Silence.
Tighten hard.
I didn't should ya oba mi anesha.
Silence.
Order. Get sitting. Okay. Should I continue? Leaving you starting.
My honor, should I speak the English?
Yeah.
Okay, and here today we will suffer. My honor, this is offense. This is my client, and I defend my...
Talking them first.
My honor, my client's name is Juliet, and his honor name is Pilato Judge. And this my client, there's some old man, and the old man fake him. Cause, see the body, my honor, let me see your buttocks. You see the buttocks? It's bigger than the old man. And I don't know if the man do forgets to this man to catch him. I don't believe this old man can catch my client because me crown me na minyana ga own family ma court ya. You know, my honor, that's my talk.
My nonna. My client na wasu onye opanye kasede. Wono so waba. Ono so ne body no were fresh. akokora taakuma akokora branti akokora kela wono so waba ne yere no wono no wo ka kire ne se wono wampa ne biam ante no wobafa ba mafoforo ampa wakofa ba mafoforo wono so wahye wo mane sika wahye wo ntiase wo na ba court eti opanyene kase de no waba dur hanum sei ati yabadi asam no ma wona
The talking renew.
My honor, the case we need to deflate my client, Juliet. He win. Audience, am I lying?
Nice.
Audience, am I lying?
You are lying.
You are defending me.
Yeah, I'm defending. Okay. For the matter talking, asking your agent.
wahye me ka che wo se wafia no wade sen wafia no wade sen aha wafania wade sen wa ye yes.
Okay. Talking me. Agent.
My honor, my client age is 16 years. Chai! 16 years. You just have the body. You just have the body. You just have a big body, keke. Yeah, my honor. Tell my honor something.
My honor. Me patch up a prayer wire no house of Potokuli. Sapa cry way because you have so a permit. Busumi Bia, Baba 100 million. Hey!
I don't know, or a minister of offense.
Order. What I done?
My honor.
Okay. To that cutting shot. Your agent. How much?
My age, if you increase my age, you can get 29 years.
Okay. To me, my agent. How much? $46.
40.
All right. So to replacement, taking this to replacement. You lose. I'm giving you 476 8 years.
wahye me ka che wo se wobama wa sika 470 ai wobedi sika ne fu
My honor. My kite. My assistant kite. Stand up. Stand up.
What is going?
He just get accident in office.
Okay. Today my judgment taking final. Going to sleep in the place where no see outing. 146. Yes. Final.
My honest, my client say we will defend everything to the prison. So, Atongo, tell your client.
Masha ai mano na saka che me se me ka che wo se obama wa sika 470 million wodi be gije free abaya no waje me fala
My honor, you are lying. You are lying. What is somebody? Order. So you just send him to prison.
Order in cutting. What I thought say my final is getting prison. The life in. Not 147 forever and
yeah 147 million
Order in cutting. Cut right. Getting seated.
My honor,
una other form
my Banza, go and take the bus.
Giving my
Kwan.
Hey.
Put him inside. Get him seated.
Manona. Wabo machine so machine why.
Okay. See, fighting, not conclude. My owner said that fighting, not conclude you together to fight here. So he need to close the day. The man will go to jail 47 years. Lawyer Pilato, come in.
You talking. You are not speaking the English for me well. I was trying to speak the English, and my owner just win, and I just take you to my room and check. Okay. Yes. You know boxing?
You want fighting?
Hey, Master. Take him, go.
Let's go.
Take him, go.
Yeah,